Welcome back. To Akahilz live on Binance Academy, looking at top 7 technologies that power the metaverse. So, the metaverse is a concept of 3D digital world. It consists of virtual spaces that you can explore using an avatar you create. In the metaverse, you can play games, go shopping, hang out with friends, and do lots of other stuff. Some video games and work socialization tools have already implemented and certain metaverse elements into their ecosystems. So cryptocurrency projects like Decentraland Sandbox already have their detailed world up and running. However, the Metaverse concept is relatively new, so most of its functionalities are still under development. We have companies like Facebook, now Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia have also created their versions of the Metaverse. To offer an immersive Metaverse virtual experience, tech companies are incorporating cutting-edge technologies to power the 3D world development. Such technologies include blockchain, augmented reality AR, virtual reality AR, 3D reconstruction, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things. For introduction, the idea of the metaverse originated from Neil Stephenson in 1992. His science fiction novel Snow Crash envisioned an online world where people could use digital avatars to explore and escape from the real world. A decade later, big technology companies have started to build their own versions of a futuristic metaverse. So, what is the metaverse and how big companies are looking at it? To the metaverse is a concept of online 3D digital world with virtual land and objects. Imagine a world in which you can work remotely, visit virtual museums to see the latest artworks, or join your fellow rock band fans at a virtual concert, all from the comfort of your home. So these are some of the perks about the metaverse. We have Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Decentralized, incorporating certain aspects of the metaverse to bring multiple elements of our lives into online worlds. Latest developments include Facebook changing its name to Meta, October 2021. Metaverse became new favorite buzzword to cater for its rebranding. Social media giant poured resources into a new division called Reality Labs to spend at least $10 billion in 2021. The idea is to develop metaverse content software as well as AR and VR assets. CEO Mark Zuckerberg believes will be as widespread as smartphones in the future. So these are some of the latest features. We have some online games that are embracing the metaverse as well. AR mobile game, Pokemon Go was among the first to tap into the concept by allowing players to own virtual Pokemons in the real world using a smartphone app. So key technologies that power the metaverse. So to make the metaverse experience more immersive, companies are using cutting-edge technologies like blockchain, augmented reality, virtual reality, 3D reconstruction, AIs, and Internet of Things to power the 3D world. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology provides a decentralized and transparent solution for digital proof of ownership data, collectability, transfer of value, governance, accessibility, and interoperability. Cryptocurrencies enable users to transfer value while they work and socialize in the 3D digital world. For example, crypto can be used to buy virtual land in Decentraland. Players can purchase system by system meter land parcels in form of non-fungible tokens. Then we also have augmented reality, virtual reality. We want to take a look at that. AIs, understanding 3D reconstruction, Internet of Things, and more. Challenges of the metaverse. So the metaverse is still in its early stages. So some challenges could look identity authentication, privacy control, and loads of other stuff. In closing thoughts, say why the metaverse is still under development. Many companies are already exploring its potential. In the crypto space, Decentraland and Sandbox are noticeably one of the biggest leaders. But big companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, Facebook are also getting involved. So it's going to be a little bit more competitive. That's what we have to do on CoinMarketCap News and Binance News Academy. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be dropping a link in the description so you can get access to these articles and others. Akahilz, stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.